Okay. So have you ever had one of those days where you try something and you're like, whoa,
Yeah.
I did not expect that at all.
Yeah, like what happened yesterday?
I went to this Korean place
Uh-huh.
for lunch with some friends, and we were looking at the menu,
Uh-huh.
and they ordered ramen. And like right on the menu,
Yeah.
it said warning,
Oh no.
very spicy. And I was like, okay,
Oh.
right. I like a little spice,
Yeah.
but like very spicy makes me a little nervous. But they were like, oh, come on, it'll be fine. It'll be fine.
Yeah, there's always that one friend, right? Like,
Okay.
oh, you gotta try this.
Exactly. So I was like,
Mm.
oh, sure, let's do it.
Yeah.
So it comes out, we all dig in, and the first bite was like, fine.
Okay.
I was like, oh, this is good. This is tasty.
Uh-huh.
Couple more bites in, and like my mouth was on fire.
Oh.
And I just start chugging water.
Yeah.
Like it was so spicy.
Oh, wow.
And so my friend at first was like, haha, look at you.
Yeah, yeah.
You can't handle the spice.
Right.
And then she got to that point too, and she was like, oh my God, that's funny. This is so spicy. Like we were both sweating.
Oh, yeah.
Our noses were running a little.
Oh,
It was
yeah.
just like a whole
It's like
thing.
a full body experience.
It is. And we kept trying
Yeah.
to be like, okay, we can power through this.
Yeah,
We got this. And then after about 10 minutes,
Yeah.
we were both just like, nope,
We're done.
we're done. Like
Yeah.
our stomachs felt like they were burning.
Oh no.
It's rough.
I had a similar experience, but like not as intense.
Okay.
Yesterday, I tried this new fried chicken place,
Uh-huh.
and it smelled so good. I was like, oh, I gotta get this.
Oh, yeah.
And so I got the spicy fried chicken, and like first few bites were good,
Yeah.
a little kick to it, which I enjoyed.
Uh-huh.
But I only had like 3 or 4 pieces in, and I was like,
Yeah.
it's getting a little warm in here, and I could feel myself like sweating a little
Oh, yeah.
on my forehead.
The sweating is so real
It is.
with spicy food.
Yes. And you know what else happens to me sometimes?
What?
I get the hiccups.
Oh, my gosh, yes.
So weird.
I forgot about that.
Yeah.
One time I was eating these noodles,
Yeah.
and they were like surprisingly spicy.
Mm-hmm.
And I was like, ooh, this is tasty. And then all of a sudden I just start hiccuping like at the table, and everyone's like looking at me. This is so embarrassing.
It's like your body's like, wow, hold on.
Yeah, slow down. What's going on?
Yeah, exactly. But it is interesting. Like, I have a friend who eats super spicy food, like every day,
Wow.
like the hottest peppers.
Oh, wow.
And he swears by, he's like, oh, it's so good for you. It's good for your circulation. It's good for like,
I wonder if that's true.
I mean, there's probably some truth to that, right?
Yeah.
Like a little spice can be good for you, but like you said with the ramen, like
Too much.
too much is not good. It can hurt your stomach.
Yeah, you got to find that balance.
Yeah, exactly.
So, okay, if someone's listening to this
Yeah.
and they're thinking, maybe I want to try spicy food,
Uh-huh.
where do they even begin?
Okay, so if you're a beginner
Yeah.
with spicy food, you got to start slow.
Okay.
Don't go for the hottest thing right away.
Right.
Start with something mild.
Okay.
See how you feel, and like if it gets too spicy,
Yeah.
don't reach for the water.
Okay.
Drink milk.
Really?
Milk is way better at like
Wow.
cooling down your mouth.
I was just drinking water like crazy yesterday.
Yeah, water doesn't really do much.
It did not help at all.
So milk is key, and then also just like
Yeah.
eat slowly.
Okay.
Give your mouth a break.
Okay.
You know, let it adjust to the spice level.
Yeah.
Don't just like scarf it down.
Yeah, chef.
And then another thing that helps is like having some rice or bread
Okay.
with your meal, because that can kind of soak up some of the spice.
Oh, like a little buffer.
Yeah, exactly.
Interesting.
And then this one might seem obvious,
Okay.
but don't touch your eyes after touching spicy food,
Right.
especially if you've been handling chili peppers or something.
Yeah.
Wash your hands really well.
I feel like that's a mistake you only make once.
Probably. Yeah, you'll
Right.
learn that lesson real quick.
So after the ramen yesterday, would you ever try it again?
Maybe in a long time.
Maybe the mild version.
Yeah, maybe the mild version.
All right, everyone listening.
Yes.
What about you? What's your experience with spicy food? Can you handle the heat, or are you like me?
Yeah, tell us about it.
Let us know. And be sure to like and subscribe for more deep dives.
Yes, more fun deep dives into all sorts of topics.
Thanks for listening.
See you next time.
Thanks for joining the conversation here at Kaz English. We hope you found it fun and informative. Don't forget to check out kazapp.uk. That's kazapp.uk for more tips, resources, and interactive practice. Keep exploring, keep chatting, and we'll catch up with you again soon.